Hello guys and welcome to another new video of the home decor series. So if you're looking for a home temple design that can fit in any living room, then you have come to the right place. From intricate jali designs to modern mandirs made to fit compact spaces, we have it all for you. Whether you like simple divine corners or ornate ones, your living room can accommodate them quite simply. So take a look at these stunning ideas. Number 1 is Mandir corner with jali panels. Do you love the idea of having jali panels for your puja unit? Then this idea is perfect for you. While this design fits seamlessly into any living room, it is ideal for people who have a wood finished TV unit. Since lattice looks best in laminate or wood, this white and wood puja unit is high on aesthetic value. The drawers can be utilized to store puja samagri as well. Number 2 is carved wooden home temple design. If you have a corner in your living room that is simply empty, then it's time to utilize that space. Place a compact puja corner unit with beautiful jali work and a traditional dome. Make sure you have a soft focus light inside that illuminates the corner, and you will be surprised by this new addition. Number 3 is a sleek puja unit in an open living area. So you have a modern living room with a Scandinavian design and sleek furniture, and you think that a puja unit might not fit in here. Well, think again. You can turn a wall niche into a small mandir with a base unit and pretty lights like this one. Make sure you stick to clean lines and choose from neutral colors in keeping with the modern design aesthetic. Number 4 is go compact with a mandir on the wall. Most often than not, we all have at least one wall in the living room that is not being utilized. This is your best bet to place your deity. Take a look at this wonderful design that has a simple low height base unit with drawers and brass bells that add glitter to this otherwise neglected corner. Number 5 is create a corner of your temple. A puja room inside the living room, anyone? If you have a separate section in your living room that you can convert into a puja corner, then you are in luck. A beautiful carved marble unit with matching dividers are perfect for this setting. This will give you the feeling of having a full-fledged puja room, still having an open design. Number 6 is get a traditional wooden puja unit. You can use a living room corners to set up a home temple. Get an ornate, traditionally carved puja unit in wood to adorn this space. Do not forget to highlight this area with focus lights and lovely bells suspended from the wall over the unit. You will soon have compliments pouring in from friends and family for this one. Number 7 is add little decor details. A puja corner that's so stark and simple is a sure shot winner in any living room. If you want to place your mandir against a plain wall, consider adding a veneer panel as a background with a matching wooden base unit to create an interesting visual. Complete the look with shimmering lamps on either side and light the candles around the unit to add to the effect. How about a half-open mandir? The puja corner in your living room does not need to be open at all times. This is a wonderful idea for everyone who likes to have an elaborate home temple. You can add colorful glass doors along with a wooden door with bells to close it. Number 9 is when your display unit doubles up as a mandir. This is a simple idea for people who are not very religious but like having a few idols placed in their living room. Subsequently, a display cum puja unit like this one is ideal for placing beautiful idols with similar decorative items alongside. So this is it, and these ideas are perfect for people who want to have a prayer corner in the common area of their room. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.